Namaste, good morning. Myself Anita Fagadia from Bikaner, Rajasthan. In my last video, I showed you Desi Gawar Fali, that is cluster beans, in my kitchen garden, and I have harvested them today. The young pods, young seed pods of Gawar Fali cluster beans. Then I have chopped them like this in small pieces. In this way, you have to remove the ends and the head like this. And these are the ingredients which I am going to use. Any edible oil, red chili, lal mirch, coriander powder, dhania, table salt, namak, cumin seeds, ajwain, turmeric powder, haldi, asafoetida, hing. These are the ingredients which I am going to use. Now I will show you in my next step. I will light the gas, put this kadai on it. I have heated this edible oil beforehand. Now let me see if the oil is heated. I will put some carom seeds in it, that is ajwain. It will take a little bit of time. You know, these Gawar Fali cluster beans, they have many health benefits. They are good for diabetes, good for weight loss, contains reasonable amount of protein, calcium, phosphorus, good for bones, reduces blood cholesterol, aids in digestion. I think the oil is have heated. Yes, it is. First, carom seeds, that is ajwain, then this asafoetida. Now, I will put these chopped cluster beans. Now, I will cover it for a little while. So that it might be half cooked by the vapors, steam. Now I will add all the ingredients into it. turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili and table salt. All the ingredients you can add according to your taste. And this vegetable you can keep in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. I will again cover it. It's kind of a dry vegetable which I am making with no water in it. You can intake like a salad or mix it with white rice, eat with chapatis, anything like that. A nice aroma is coming. Color has also changed a little bit. I'm not going to overcook it, only as required. See, now no steam or water vapor is coming out of it. It's cooked. I will put off the gas. As these pods are very young, there are no seeds in them. That's why they have been cooked so fast. And also they are fresh from the kitchen garden. See, like this. If you want, you can add a few drops of lemon on it. It will taste very nice. You can also intake with rice, plain white rice. How nice and tasty, healthy lunch. Okay, thanks. Bye. Take care. Have a good day.